Okay, today we're back with another trade recap. We made $444 off this trade last night during the Asian session on GBP JPY. So as you can see, here is the trade. We had take profit 1 at this blue line here, take profit 2 at the top of the box here. Let's go back in time and go over why we took the trade and the confluences we saw. So starting on the 4-hour chart, one thing we noticed was we pulled back into this order block here, which we hadn't touched yet. So we'd tried to push down, made a little bounce off of these order blocks here, continued to push back up, rejected, retested, and we had pushed off of this order block here. As you can see, market came in, pushed up, then rejected on this candle. Moving on to the 1 hour, we can see we did take out all this resting liquidity here with these two candles. And we also took out this level of liquidity here. Further into the 1 hour order blocks, we had this level here. Price came in just at the start of New York Open, pushed right back out, rejected it, took out all the liquidity. Nothing much happened afterwards. We had a little rejection off of the order block within this range here, and then a continuation back down. Looking at the 0.5, we rejected off of it and never actually closed below. So for that reason, my bias was bullish moving into this trade. Down onto the 30-minute, we have the start of the session here and the close at 2 a.m. there. Looking for liquidity on the 30-minute time frame, we have, well, we would have had this level here, but this 30-minute candle at 10:30 swept that, took it out. So the new resting liquidity is down here. So moving into market open, the plan was we got a rejection downwards, swept the liquidity, and then took out the highs up here. So on the 5-minute chart, we've got market open here. And as expected, we did sell off and sweat liquidity here. As you can see, we took out this level of liquidity. We also had another level here that we didn't manage to sweep just yet, but we did after a few more candles. So we had a retest into the order block as well, and a pretty strong rejection off of it. So at this point, I'm waiting for a breaker structure to the upside. So as you can see, we had a high form just here off of this black candle. And at this point in time, we're looking for a breaker structure to the upside to enter a long position. And here we have the breaker structure. So I entered a long position on the close of the candle with stops just below recent lows, which were here. We put take profit 1 at this point of interest here, and take profit 2 was at the highs. So moving forward, after we'd taken the position, we had a slight pullback, which was expected, as we did have this fair value gap off of the push, which we filled and then reversed off of. So looking back, I could have had a much better entry if I'd have waited for the fair value gap to be filled. Following off of the push out of the fair value gap, we hit take profit 1 with this candle. We closed off the position at a 0.77R. As you can see, we then had take profit 2s up here. We moved stops to break even. And we then managed to hit take profit 2 on the following candle. All in all, we made just over $440 off of this trade. And I'm pretty happy with it. Only thing we could have done better was enter off of the 0.5 retracement on the fair value gap, or potentially have one position at the breaker structure and one position at the 0.5 fair value gap. That's the trade. Thanks for watching.